Hey, hello students, welcome to another short lecture series of permutation combination. So for today's video, we'll understand the basic difference between permutation and combination. And the question is when we can use the idea of permutation or where we can use the idea of combination. So to understand that, as you can see my screen here, so we are today we'll discuss what is permutation versus combination. So we have basically, whenever we are dealing with permutation or combination problem, we are basically counting possibilities, as you can see here. So in both ways, in both problems, if you use permutation or combination, basically we are counting number of possibilities. Now in different scenario, we have to use for a scenario you have to use permutation, for another case you have to use combination. So when you will use permutation, when the order is very much necessary, whenever you are counting and in your counting the order is necessary, we have to use permutation, because when order is necessary we have to count the arrangement, right? So and when order is not necessary for a particular problem, we'll use combination. So the difference between them, whether the order matters or not, that is the main point you have to understand. Now let's take one example here quickly to understand what is the meaning of order here. Consider the poker hand here. So we have a poker hand. So we have the A of diamond, 5 of heart, 7 of clubs, and 10 of spade, and king of spade. Yeah, this is the hand. Okay, so now if I take another hand, let's suppose if I take, is that the same hand? If I take another hand like this, are they these two are same or not? What do you think? These two hands are same or not? What do you think? Obviously we can see these two hands are not same, because in the first place we have A, but in the first place maybe you have the same elements, but the order is different here. So now, as the order is different, there will be two different arrangement. So we will call they are two different permutation. So does the order of these cards are handed out matters? Obviously it matters, because they are different. This order is different. If yes, then we are dealing with permutation. If order matters, then we are dealing with permutation. If not, then if no, then we are dealing with combination. So that is the basic difference between permutation and combination. Whenever in a problem, suppose you are dealing with a problem, whenever you are counting possibilities, in that possibilities, whenever you are counting, if the order is necessary, then we have to go for permutation, and if the order is not necessary, then you have to go for combination. So that is the main basic difference between permutation and combination. Hope you like it. See you in the next video. Thank you for hearing.